Welcome to our ongoing weekly clip series, Wolff Bites.
Hi, I'm Lynette Wolff.
And I'm Brian Wolff.
We're the Wolff couple.
Hello. How you sell a property is called your exit strategy. That is a major key to why the creative financing model works so well. Over 95% of the time, your exit strategy will be selling to a lease purchase tenant buyer. Here's how to recognize and target market for lease purchase tenant buyers. They're currently unable to qualify for a bank mortgage due to one or more factors. Your ads will say bad credit okay or no bank qualifying. Now these factors include rough credit, too much debt, they might be self-employed, they're not reporting all their income and that hurts their debt ratio, they may be new to the area, have a short time on their job, or some other factor. Now, credit repair or other assistance will eventually enable them to get qualified at the bank. They will have at least $10,000 or 5% of the purchase price for a non-refundable option deposit. Now that's going to be applied towards their down payment and the purchase price of the home when they qualify for their new bank financing. That's why it's a deposit. When they qualify, they get full credit for the money they put down. What you'll ask there is, what's the most you can put down on your beautiful new home? Obviously, we want the most down that we can get, so you want to ask that question to get the most you can. Now, of course, this lease purchase buyer will have to afford the monthly payment that comes with the house. The question you would ask there is, what's the most you can pay per month? Now, also your lease purchase tenant buyer will pay a 5 to 10% markup on the purchase price in exchange for the opportunity to get the financing help that we provide. On a $200,000 house, they would pay $210,000 to $220,000. You're going to price that $209,900 or $219,900. So they're willing to pay that markup because you're offering the financing help.
We love it when you like a clip.
It's even better when you leave a comment.
Plus, you can be nice and share it with others.
And remember to subscribe to get notified of new great videos.